like staring at a burning sun. Got teeth like razor blades, and you know that we're out for blood.
One day, mag-a-arrange din ako ng ganyang event. Hindi ako yung aakyat. Ang iniisip ko, mag-a-arrange ako ng ganyang event. Ang goal namin mga leaders, maging komportable ka kung sino ka. Gusto namin maging successful kayo.
For blood. Better run, better run. Here it comes, here it comes. Better run, better run. When the wolves come out to play. Better run, better run. Here it comes, here it comes. Better run, better run. When the wolves come out to play.
That the wolf leaders, no, are always ready to listen. And when the challenges arise, remember that they are given us to overcome. And overcoming these obstacles helps us shape our greatest version of ourselves.
Always makes you stronger and better. It is feared only by the weak. So meron bang weak dito? Siyempre wala, kaya nga tayo nandito diba? So walang weak dito, okay?
Achieving that dream required a lot of focus and determination. It is one of the most powerful abilities we can develop.
Yung achievement nyo last year, siguro iba dito, hindi super satisfied sa nagawa last year. Okay, best nyo yun, kaya dapat i-enjoy nyo siya. Huwag nyo i-discount yung effort. Meron kayong mga hindi nagawa, pero part kasi siya ng pagiging best nyo. Ma-discover yung mga kaya nyo pang gawin. So yun lang again, congratulations everyone.
Try nyo lang na bigyan ng puso kung sino man yung mga bibigyan yung panahon.
Para sa solid na 2024 at mas solid pang 2025! Yeah!